Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we are going to know the colors name. Chocolate color, purple color, green color, red color, orange color, blue color, black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Heart, hexagon, square, triangle, trapezium and right triangle. First we are going to draw the shapes. Heart. Next, hexagon. Next, square. Next kids, triangle. Next, trapezium. Next kids, right triangle. Now we're going to put the color. Red color, heart. Next, green color, hexagon. Next, blue color, square. Next, purple color, triangle. Next, chocolate color, trapezium. Next, orange color, right triangle. What we learn? We learn red color, heart, green color, hexagon, blue color, square, purple color, triangle, chocolate color, trapezium, orange color, right triangle. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.